Yeah?
Cory Booker, did you hear in the news about?
This is the ocean view from the Aston Papakea G307 room. A nice ocean
Oh,
view.
you're on my phone. Hold on.
There's the pool. Maintenance cart.
I know you like that one. There you are. In your towel.
And we have a
A wheel right out here, off the tip of that
There's
orange
the
crate
pool.
thing. Kind of right off the tip, but out.
It's the heated pool and the hot tub.
And there you are. And there you are. And there you
You'll
are.
have to show Andrew the cute little smile.
Love taking
Don't drop
selfies.
it.
This is the view from 307 of the pool, and they have the little barbecue grills there. This is the Aston Papakea here, and beyond it is the Kaanapali shores. That's the ocean, and that's a nice view. This is the Lanai pool at the Aston Papakea. This is the view from G307 on January 14th. Morning surf. I haven't seen any whales this morning yet, but this is the Aston Papakea courtyard in the morning of January 14th. And there's the Lanai pool. The little putting green. Then they have a little pond down here where they have some koi. And they're cleaning the grills in the morning. They clean the grills every morning. We got quite a lot of surf going on here this morning. The surf seems to vary by the time of day. These are some big ones here. These are the bunch of grills here, and I clean those every month. Paddle border out there. And here's the lovely sunset. This is sunset on the 14th. From G307. This is the Aston Papakea courtyard at dusk.
Yeah, you more, sweetie.